So they've added some visors on some of the signals. I think they've actually removed, because they used to have, or they used to have louvers on. So yeah, they used to have louvers on the primary heads here, but they removed them. And instead I've just added like longer tunnels. And they added through arrows for straight. You can see we got longer tunnels that are kind of angled more. I need to realign this ped head though, because if I'm standing at the center of the crossing, you can't really see it. So anyways, there you go.